Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ADI token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ADI is the native utility token of ADI chain, a compliance first layer to blockchain built to power institutional and government grade financial infrastructure, particularly in emerging markets. Core utility tokens ADI function as the native cash payment settlement and staking assets for the entire ADI chain ecosystem. Institutional infrastructure. The underlying ADI chain is designed for regulated use cases like cross-border payments, stablecoins, and real-world assets RWA tokenization. Compliance first design backed by major entities in Abu Dhabi. The network prioritizes regulatory alignment and security for enterprise and government adoption. ADI project institution rating is 4.1 and this project audited by Ceritic. ADI token total supply is 999.99 million and circulating supply is around 35.18 million ADI token. ADI token is listed on KuCoin, MEX, Crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.